She goes. Oh, yeah. Life is so good right now. Look at her. Today was such a better day. Better living through chemistry. Yes, it was. She's breathing better. She's having, I think I'd say, a pretty good day, considering, which has always been my goal. Woo woo. We've had a really, really nice day with her. We're so lucky.